Hey, my name is John Bayog. I'm the owner and founder of Bayog Law. I know it's raining out, but I promised myself I'd shoot this video today outside, rain or shine, and it's raining. So this video is the start of an educational series on why estate planning is essential. The goal of the series is to educate the public on why having an up-to-date estate plan is important to ensure your wishes are met, your loved ones are protected, and your assets are managed efficiently. So in this video, we're going to do a brief overview of all of the foundational estate planning documents that I think every estate plan should have. And we'll go more in depth on each document in later videos, but we're just going to keep this video short and just a high-level overview of those important documents. Most people might have a will already or a trust. Whether or not they're up to date is another question, but a lot of times they'll overlook the ancillary documents that are also very important, like the power of attorney, the healthcare proxy. So we're going to touch on all of it briefly. So to start, at the heart of each estate plan is either a will or a trust. There's will-based estate plans, trust-based estate plans. We always recommend the trust over the will. That's a video for another day. At the very minimum, you should have a will. If you don't have a will and you pass away, it's called dying intestate. And if that happens, then the state is going to decide who gets what. And you might not agree with what the state decides. Another reason why it's really important to, at the very minimum, have a will is if you have minor children, the will allow you to choose guardians, to name guardians. And if you don't have a will, the state will name guardians for your minor children, and you might not agree with who the state chooses. The trust does all of that as well. So the will basically allow you to name guardians and allow you to say who gets what. The trust will say, you can name the guardians, you can say who gets what, but you can also say when they get it, how they get it, on what conditions do they get it. So it's a lot more flexible. You have a lot more control with the trust. And then there's obviously other reasons to get the trust too. So those are the two primary estate planning documents, the will or the trust. And then the ancillary documents. So to start off, you're going to want to have a durable power of attorney. So that is, in the event of incapacity, it'll allow someone to make financial decisions on your behalf. So for example, if you become incapacitated, you need to transfer money so you can pay medical bills, or stock market is crashing, it'll allow someone to make those financial decisions, like to liquidate your stocks, sell your stocks so you can you avoid the market crash, something like that. So whoever has your durable power of attorney, they can open and close bank accounts, transfer funds, make investment decisions, things of that nature. Healthcare proxy is the next big one, super important to have. That one will allow people to make medical decisions on your behalf. If you don't have one, you're not in control. It's going to be the hospital making all the decisions for you, and you might not agree with their decision. So it's better to have these things in place so that way you can stay in control. Along with the healthcare proxy is the living will. That's also kind of super important. People don't realize it. It's not a legally binding document, but it's more informative in nature. It's going to inform your healthcare proxy, your wishes for things like end-of-life treatment. Like, are you going to stay on life support? If they don't have direction as to that, they might keep you on life support for months, and you end up racking up hundreds of thousands of dollars of medical bills. That's money that you're going to be paying the hospital, and it's not going to be going to your beneficiaries. So that's the living will, also super important. So those are all the documents that I'd say no estate plan is really complete without them. There's a lot of other stuff too that we'll go over later, but just to keep it brief, that's what we got. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, anything at all, feel free to reach out. You can message us on here, call, text, email, anytime. Right now we're doing free consultations, 30-minute consultations. So yeah, schedule one of those. Take advantage of it while you can. We'd love to talk to you. Estate planning is for everyone. Follow us on social media for more of these videos to come. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.